Companies have great ideas. The challenge for them is to be able to assemble a team to deliver on these ideas, to implement these ideas into a commercializable product. And often they are priced out of competition compared to the bigger firms. Here at FYELABS, we are helping small and medium businesses with all their product development needs and dreams. We are here to level the playing field. So we have assembled a fairly cross-functional team versed in different areas of engineering practices. Software, we have different areas of hardware such as mechanical, electrical, electronics, firmware development, and sometimes even algorithms. So we have a dedicated algorithms team working on different type of AI and ML algorithms that the product might need. So this is how we can bring value to quickly deliver, mature the ideas into proof of concept or a minimum viable product so that they can get to the next stage in their business strategy wherever they need to go in quick succession. So that's our goal, helping level the playing field with a cross-functional team.